Finding the perfect gift for him can feel like an impossible mission, right? Whether it's your spouse, dad, grandpa, brother, or friend, you want to find something that is thoughtful, cool, and practical. Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are 5 of the best-selling gifts for him. Let's dive in. First up, the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Because every guy appreciates great sound. With noise cancellation, adaptive transparency, and amazing audio quality, they are perfect for workouts, commutes, or just relaxing at home. Plus, the updated MagSafe charging case makes them even better. If he likes to keep his grooming game sharp, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 is a must-have. This all-in-one trimmer has 23 pieces for beard, hair, and body grooming, making it a versatile addition to his routine. It's durable, high performance, and a top-rated gift for a reason. For the guy who's always on the go, the YETI Rambler travel mug is the perfect companion. It keeps drinks hot or cold for hours. It has a leak-resistant lid and is built tough to last. Whether he's a coffee lover or a tea enthusiast, this gift will be a hit. Does he love music or outdoor adventures? The JBL Charge 5 Bluetooth speaker is a game changer. It's waterproof, has powerful bass, and doubles as a power bank for charging his phone. Perfect for camping trips, pool parties, or just chilling at home. Check it out. Last but not least, the Carhartt Beanie. It's a simple yet stylish gift that he'll actually use. Durable, warm, and available in tons of colors. It's the perfect winter accessory. Plus, it's super affordable, people. Super affordable. Which of these gifts would make the guy in your life smile? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, you can find all these gifts linked in the description below. Your perfect holiday gift might just be a click away.